guys, welcome back to my channel, and today what I have for you is another Christmas DIY. I've been wanting to make something for right over there in my corner in my kitchen. I'm in the process of decorating, but I don't have a lot of stuff out, and half the stuff isn't where I want it yet. But I want something right in that corner, so let me show you what you'll need in case you want to make this project. I think it's going to be really cute. I purchased this at Walmart, when I bought my house lantern. It was quite a while ago. I think it was like in late September, maybe October. But it's just a little galvanized and glass little container here that you can put a candle in. It wasn't very much. I don't remember how much it was. I think it might have been anywhere from $9 to $14, okay? And then you're going to need a candle of your choice. This I got at Old Time Pottery. It was $6.99, but you can use whatever you want. And then I'm reusing my Deco Art Metallics in the pewter that I used when I did my bulb topiary. And I'll probably use some gesso just to seal this right around the edge. And then all you need is berries of your choice or whatever you want. I went to Dollar Tree and I have some of these, and then I already had some of these, and then I have some of these that I've had, and then I had these left over from Michael's, and then I had this from Michael's that I purchased. It was on sale. So I really don't know what all I'm going to use, and you're going to need a glue gun and some brushes. Now this is a jot brush from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna try it out and see what I think. Okay, so let me get everything situated and I'll be back and we'll get started. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do is just seal around through here with the gesso so it will give it, I won't have to use as much paint and it'll give it a nicer color. You can tape your glass off if you want. I'm not going to. I don't think it's gonna be that big a deal. But all you have to do is just put the gesso around through here. And you could really do anything that you wanted to with this to match your decor. However you want it. You could put bulbs in this and put fairy lights. You wouldn't have to put a candle. Possibilities are really endless with this. You could fill it with pine cones. There's so much you could really do with this. So I know you know what I'm doing. So for time purposes, I'm going to get off of here and finish painting this with the gesso all around and go dry it with a hairdryer, and then I'll be back. Okay, here it is. I just dried it with a hairdryer, set on medium warm, and bumped it up to high every once in a while, and it's nice and dry. So now we're going to open our metallic paint, and this paint is multi-surface, so it's made to go on glass or anything. So it's not going to give me any problems, but I think it's going to be gorgeous. And you could do this if you wanted, like you could do this bottom rim in one color and the rest of it in another, but I don't want to. I'm going to make it all this color because of my color scheme that I have going on, but I love this. I think it's going to be really pretty. It's such an easy little DIY. And you could put less paint and give it kind of like that farmhouse look if you wanted. Possibilities, like I said, are absolutely endless with this. Okay, so I know you know what I'm doing, so for time purposes, I'll come back when I get this finished. Okay, here it is. I really love how it turned out. It's so pretty and frosty looking to me. And then some places I started liking that effect, so I left it. It just gave it an old look. Okay, I have changed my mind. Which I do a lot of times. Okay, I went and I got some of my fairy lights that are battery powered and they're on a timer, okay? So I'm just gonna put this right down in the bottom of this. and just start looping these fairy lights in here. That's what I love about this kind of project. It's so versatile, you can do whatever you want. And I'm going to start dropping these smaller bulbs down in here to kind of give the bigger bulbs a base. And that's what we're getting so far. I think it is really pretty. Get me another one to kind of hide that green. And you can always turn it around to where the side you like the best is sticking out. And we'll just continue to stack these bulbs in here however we want. And I think I'll put one more. Okay, here it is. I think it's adorable. It's just gonna look so festive and shiny and bright in my kitchen. But like I said, if you wanted, you could put a candle down in here. That would be pretty. You could decorate it, but I just wanted something like this. So I'm gonna put it, I'm pretty sure, over in the corner, and I'll let you see what it looks like. Okay guys, here it is. I really do love it. I just have the bulbs in it, different sizes, the smaller ones from the Dollar Tree, and then the ones from Walmart. And like I said, you could pick your own colors. And then I have my fairy lights that are on a timer. And then I just went ahead and took a Dollar Tree candle holder, painted it the same color as the base, and just hot glued it on there. So I really do love how that turned out. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.